For over a century, the bells of St. Mary Parish have been the joyful heartbeat of our community. In 1906, our first bell, St. Mary, was installed and blessed. Nearly 100 years ago, in December of 1925, two more bells, St. Joseph and St. Peter, were added to complete the trio we know and love today. As we prepare to mark the 100th anniversary of their blessing, we find ourselves in a moment of pause. The bell tower has suffered from time and weather. Water damage has caused wood to rot. The structural beams need reinforcement. To protect the bells and the building that holds them, work will include reinforcing wood beams with steel supports, sealing exposed wood, re-tuck pointing the interior and exterior masonry, painting and restoring louvers and flashings, addressing drainage to prevent future damage. This is more than upkeep. It's stewardship of something sacred. As we mark a century of faithful ringing, we are invited to care for what we've inherited, so that the next generation can hear what we have heard and feel what we have felt when the bells ring out over St. Mary.